Вадим, дякую, доброго вечора.
She played too much. It's been a while, babe. It's been a little while since I've been on here. The kitchen, and then I came over here. And then, but yeah, so I thought about it, maybe going on Twitch and like cleaning the hallway. I don't want to promote it. I don't want to, cause then it's a different ball game on there. It's not like this. Here is very like fun, stickers, gifts. Over there it's like fucking nothing. It's a slow platform. Bitch, not from the couch. So, my puppy is leaving to San Antonio for a month. I don't know what I'm gonna do it on my baby. He's leaving for a month. I hate it. A whole month. What do I do in my life?
Entire life. An entire month.
Important for me. Ой. Ребятки, это для конкурса. Thank you, my dear. Thank you so much, Nick. Thank you. Для конкурса нам это очень важно. Вадим, дуже дякую. Дякую за підтримку. Tomorrow will be last day. Вже залишився один день. Що в мене з язиком? Хто мені скаже? These people's bikers, it's thank you. It's stress for me.